Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Well, good morning. Hi. Welcome over to the Neverlander channel. I hope that things are going well for you. Today is Saturday. It's a 3-day weekend. Very excited about that. And it's cold outside. It's I think I saw that it was 31 degrees. It says it feels like it's 20. So it's chilly, but how are you? Are you good? We're good. We're good. This is the first morning in quite some time. I got it before Kristen did, so.
Charlie! Good morning, buddy. How are you, dude? You doing okay? Yeah, you want to have some food? Let's make some food.
So, quick update on Charlie. He has not had seizures in quite some time, so that's very encouraging. But it's very apparent that he's not feeling good. He still cries a lot. He walks very slow. And he's just getting older, guys. It's part of the circle of life. Soon you'll be dead. So that sucks. But it's been nice that he hasn't had seizures because that breaks my heart. And it's hard to deal with, and it obviously wears on him. He might be having these micro seizures that we're not picking up on. Yeah, he's doing better. I think, so in the last upload I mentioned a company that has this like mushroom stuff. And they've got some pretty amazing claims regarding what it can do, specifically for elderly animals. And we reached out to them and tried to see if there's something we could do as far as honestly, we were looking to kind of use Charlie as a test subject, and based on their claims, kind of share the results with you guys here on the channel. They did respond, and they have like a I guess what you would call a partnership package, but they wanted us to pay money towards it, and I don't know, that seems a little strange. So yeah, it was an affiliate program, and I guess we got to pay money to be a part of it. And I'm like, that sounds, I mean, not to knock them, maybe that's a normal thing. I don't know. We don't reach out to enough businesses to ask if that's a thing, but it just kind of was like strange. So I think we're still going to buy some of the product and try it out, because it's not very expensive. It's like $30, and see how it goes. And we'll still share those results with you, because what's important is if you've got an animal like ours, you want to see them happy, right? So.
Ain't that right, Charlie? That's right.
All right. So good morning. I'm gonna make him food, and we're gonna have a great day. Okay, let's do that. Oh, that's delicious. Oh no, spilling. So if you've been a subscriber to our channel for some time, you're probably asking yourself, Scott, how come you're the one that always starts off the vlogs? How come we always got to see your mug? Well, lucky you, not everybody can be this handsome. It's a weird place to interject that. The truth is, Kristen's in the morning, not a good look. You need to get some makeup on. It's an odd thing to look at. But let's get back to me. Rumor is I established these looks for my father. But as of late, we're not sure my father is my father. Why do you say that, Scott? Well, we've started looking at 23andMe and Ancestry, and they're not linking up quite the way we thought they would. I know. Strange. Is that a real thing? Yes. How do I feel about that? I don't give a shit. Strange guy living in the basement for quite a long time. to not share that kind of information with me, but love them nonetheless. It's kind of jacked up because Kristen's always said, you know, you don't look like your parents. And as I got older, I think I do start, I look like my uncle on my mom's side. But I don't look like anybody on my dad's side. So I might be one of those mailman. Yeah, my mom was kind of frisky. That's a real thing. But you get me first thing in the morning because, well, I'm the one who usually grabs the camera, starts the vlog with a purpose. Today's going well so far. I think we're at well over 15 minutes already. Probably only going to use about 2 minutes of this material, but that's how it starts. And sometimes we get so busy with things, you forget to pick up the camera. So today, I've been intentional. Welcome over to the Neverlander channel. If you haven't subscribed by now, you probably won't. Okay, I'm gonna play games on my phone. Clash of Clans. All right, so it's 4 o'clock, which is time for 7 Brew. The kids got it today. Which one's which?
I don't know.
Ian, yours is yeah. Ian's is the darker one. I'm trying to make a point here that if you work for 7 Brew and you need a family to, if you guys are looking to support a YouTube family, we are the one. What do you think, Ian? Very good. Mm-hmm. What flavor did you get?
I already forgot.
You did a white chocolate malt.
White chocolate malt, yeah.
Yeah, delicious.
Shepherd's.
Okay, and Salem? You did a cinnamon roll, but blended.
I take back what I said about it only being on Joffrey's level. It's above Joffrey's.
It is above Joffrey's, and as a Disney family, that's like insane to say, but I'm serious. I look forward to this every single day.
I want to chug it, but I know it's risky.
Yeah, coffee. What'll make you poop? All right, I need to take this up to mommy before she kills me.
I'll take it up to her. Oh, wait.
No, you want to take it up to her?
Sure.
All right, don't spill it. This is our official commercial for the Neverlanders right now. Watch mommy's face when you give her 7 Brew. Let's see what happens.
Oh, we got large today again?
Of course we did.